Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to log into Sparkasse Online Banking Account. First thing first, open your browser and go to your local Sparkasse branch's website. Click on Online Banking Login, usually at the top right corner, and in the login form, enter your AML name, login name, or legitimations ID provided by Sparkasse. Type in your PIN, which is the personal identification number. Now, depending on your security method like chip TAN, push TAN, SMS TAN, etc., you may be asked to enter a TAN, which is a transaction authentication number. Once you open Sparkasse Push TAN app or use your chip TAN generator to get the TAN, enter the TAN into the field when prompt. Now, after successful verification, you'll be redirected to your Sparkasse Online Banking dashboard. From there, you can check account balances, view transactions, transfer money, and manage banking settings. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.